I think the most important thing in being grounded in spirituality is understanding that you are a spirit, right? That definition of chi as being somebody that has a bank to rob. The person's mission is to rob a bank, and that person wakes up today, dresses up with a Spider-Man mask, and heads off to the bank. The person can get there and decide that he wants to start working at the bank or whatever, and might decide that he forgets his purpose, right? He might get waylaid and start doing something that is not his mission when he's a spirit. So the next day he goes home, and the next day he comes with this time maybe a Joker mask or a Daredevil mask or Batman mask, right? And he tries again. So that's understanding of spirituality as you being the spirit first is like the number one thing in being grounded in spirituality. You being the spirit first. So now after that, now you will now understand that you have to be communing with your spirit every day. You are the onyembo. Now you're on the spirits that come with you, that move with you, that came to this plane with you. You have to commune with them every day. That's why Igoo every day, right? Daily Igoo, and also throughout the day communing with them. Then Ichu has to be there, which is number 2 in that trilogy that I like. So there's a trilogy which I'm explaining now. Number 2 is Ichu. Now Ichu plenty, including Izeiwe, Onokati walukwa akwa, Zechapu iwe mo Onokati walukwa akwa. Sacrifice out to any negative energies will follow you. Make they carry this egg, they go. So that's Ichu, including the Inye Chinri, Inyendi Ichie Inri. You know what I'm saying? Onokata Ichukwa Onoka na-emeji riji ofo kita inweki walukwa ewu. Mo anything imo otisi we kwado imo otu France we kwado Ichukwa aja. Ina achu aja kipe na amandi mo eme salaka ofani nebo Ichu aja. Then number 3, abelozi anso. Na onwe ife iji we bulu mmụọ. Onwe ife that your mmụọ we come for to rob a bank. No, they do. You get things we know they do, but because say we they sleep, we know they remember our own. So which is why when people start awakening, when they start connecting, so increase, so Idebe about the number 3. So this would be how can one get grounded in the spirituality. If we're going on banyebe to ourselves, banyebe guna spirituality. So yeah.